Hello everybody, in this video we are going to learn how to install NordVPN on your Google TV. Keep in mind, this is a very easy process and will take it no time. So this is your home screen. As you can see, you have Google Play Store. Open it. You will be redirected on the store. Hit up, go to search, down, and write VPN. VPN. Hit search. NordVPN should be on the third one. Hit install. And wait for the installation to be completed. It's installing right now. It's a process that will take a few moments. And that's it. You should open or uninstall it. Hit home screen. Go all the way down here until you reach the plus. Scroll down. NordVPN. Here it is. If you click on the center button of your remote control and you keep pressed, it will add you to your favorite apps. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.